Hi! On the Woodpecker today, with my friend Martin from Parlons-Bois, together we're making some very nice planks. I own a piece of land that has been in the family for several generations. Last summer, there was a huge windstorm which uprooted some trees. Others just broke in two. René and I chopped some firewood. But I couldn't make firewood with such nice pieces of wood. So we asked our son to help us, and together we made some nice thick planks. We spent all day doing that. This has been a great warm-up to help Martin make some planks at his place. He almost had nothing compared to what we cut, so it will be easy. The first thing Martin does is to assemble his portable chainsaw mill. This is quite similar to an IKEA kit. There are a lot of pieces. When it's all assembled, I can bolt my chainsaw blade in place and we're ready to go. The first thing to do is to screw the starting guide on the log. Then we're ready for the first cut. We realize quite quickly that teamwork makes it way easier. For the second cut, we use the flat spot that the first cut left as a guide. This goes quite quickly with my big chainsaw. But leaning like this to cut a plank is hard on the back. Because of the way the guide is made, when it's wider like here, we are unable to finish the cut. In the end, we managed to cut 4 very nice planks with Martin's small logs. Since the rest of the trunks are bigger, we will use my wooden sawmill. Assembling it is really not the fun part of the job. It feels like we're doing nothing. But as soon as the first log is in place, it's a go. The first thing to do is to remove the curve. Then comes the first plank. Using my sawmill for such a small log goes pretty fast. But for a big log like this, you need nice neighbors to help you move it into the driveway. Now with the log on my mill, it's time to make more planks. But this tree is wider than what my saw can handle. So Martin has to finish the job with his small chainsaw. Here are all the planks that we cut. This is really a lot of nice wood. We had fun with Martin. And see you soon for another episode of The Woodpecker.